Table inside a box. So this is our new dining table.
And it's in a mother box. And the mother
Advertised as a marble top dining table. So I suppose we'll unpack it and install it and see how we go. Yeah? So there's a dining table in this box, yeah? Okay.
Why is it broken?
Why should it be broken? I don't want a broken box.
It can't move!
Okay, wait, Daddy, mate. So yeah, this is advertised as a marble top dining table. Yeah, kids want to unpack it. You taking the sticker tape off, mate? No worries.
Careful, James. It's dirty, James.
Just be careful. So the kids on one end unpacking. My wife on the other end unpacking. Okay, so what are you trying to show us, mate?
A bubble gun. Bubble gun. Bubble gun. It's a bubble gun. Bubble gun.
Styrofoam, I think, yeah.
This is a bubble gun. It's a bubble gun. Bubble gun. Bubble gun. Bubble gun.
Yeah, so these are pretty much your
James,
assembly
it's heavy.
instructions.
Don't touch. It's heavy. It's so heavy.
So I'm basically just going to go through now and
James,
check, make
it's
sure
so
that all the
heavy.
parts are here. And if they are, then I'll start assembling.
Look at it.
It's all nice
It's a bubble
packaged
gun.
styrofoam.
It's a bubble
So.
gun.
No broke it. It will dirty everything. No
What is it? A
broke
bubble gun?
It's a big one. It's a big one in the box.
Okay, it's called styrofoam, mate.
Styrofoam, the bubble gum.
It's a big bubble gun.
Yeah, so assembly at this point in time looks pretty easy. The only problem I'm finding is these parts seem to be a very tight fit. So these here, they slide into this side. They seem to be a very tight fit, and there's some metal pieces. I'll just show you one. I'll put one out. They're actually still inside. We actually didn't see it, then jammed one of them. Had a really hard time. So there, they've got these still inside. Yeah, the holes are there. There, but on the inside. So if you don't get them out, you've got one jammed. Had a really hard time getting it out. So anyways, that's how it's starting to look. We'll just keep going with it. The aeroplane inside. So yeah, so this is how it is. So pretty much just going to screw it through these holes here.
I put it in the jail. I put my airplane in the jail. Hey, where's my
Oh, let's give that a go.
James, enough.
Okay, so basically we're just going to pack this one up now. In the bag there with my wife, and we'll put the new one in this place. So here it is.
Yeah, marble. Yeah, so be careful, guys. Marble. You know, buy again.
And me again, obviously I'm on a diet. So I've actually made it. I'm in my 70s now, kilos. So I'm hitting milestones that I've set. So again, notice no rice, no nothing, no carbohydrates at all. Just straight on beef. Tell us the beef rendang, Mary. Is it delicious? Try it.
What are you eating?
Nice? Yeah, John cooked nice?
Yummy.
Yeah, delicious. Oh, I actually cooked this. Yeah, nice.
Nom, nom.
Spicy. Little bit.
Better. Okay, so that's it there on your dining table and our first lunch and on a new dining table. So we'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching.